Howdy, welcome to episode 2 of Makin' Chips, brought to you by Sierra Steel Guitars. I'm Ross Schaefer, your host. Let's make some chips. What we're doing today is making some end plates. At least we're doing the first couple of operations on them. And we've already done quite a few of them, but we've got some blocks of aluminum here, and we're gonna do one and process it through for you. What we've got is we've got a block already in the vise over here. We're gonna take a really light facing cut just to get these little stars off and get any mill marks. Give us a nice flat surface to work from. And we're gonna do this cut without any coolant so you can actually watch it. It's a very light cut, not a problem. Down there, this is a really super light pass, only a few thousandths, so don't really have to have the coolant. Look at that nice surface. Ooh. Yeah, baby. All right, we got this nice, sexy machine surface on there. What we're gonna do, that's gonna be the outside of the end plate. What we're gonna do is turn this block around, put it back in the vise, and now you're gonna see some major metal removal. Okay, so we've got most of the material removed. That's 5 300 thousandths passes or something like that. And we're going to do one final just 20 thousandths skim pass on this whole interior here just to make it nice, give it a good finish. Then we're going to work on the outside and trim down these ears and put in some softer curves and stuff to make it look good. Then we'll have Op 1 all finished. So. Okay, we're whittling our way down. Just a few more passes with a couple of different cutters, and this baby will be done. Alrighty, that's the end of Operation 1. We put those blocks in quite the weight loss program, don't we? Yeah, man. Well, a couple more to go, and then we'll start working on the outside of the end plates. Okay, we're cutting the exterior of the end plates. This is the part that you'll see when it's built into the guitar. We've already taken care of all the tuner end plates, and now we're doing the changer end plates, which is the cooler one anyway, because it's got the hole in it for the nylons and return spring holes. And anyway, more features. And we're off. the exterior of the end plate. Pretty nice, huh? So, got to do the rest of them, and then there's only one more operation on them, and that's to get the leg holes in there. That one's pretty critical. See you in a few. All right, we've got a bunch of end plates here. They're almost done. All I've got to do is put the leg socket holes in them. It's a pretty critical procedure. And at Sierra, we do it a little bit differently. These are all tools that I use here in the machine shop. They're collets and tool holders. If you notice what they all have in common, it's that they have a tapered fit into the bore of whatever tool or tool holder they're going into. That provides a lot of support and a lot of rigidity to the joint. So here at Sierra, I took this same concept with the tapered tool holders and applied it to the legs. Here's the stub that we glue into the top of our legs. Screws in there, and you can see it pulls up nice and tight into the machine taper in the end plate. There's very little stress on the threads, so they're never going to wear out, and there's so much contact and face interface here that you can bang on your knee levers as hard as you want. You're never going to wear this socket out. Well, we finished the end plates and they turned out really nice. I've got a bunch of 10-string end plates, a few sets of 12-string end plates. I'm really happy with them. There's the tuner end. There's the outside. They're going to look pretty with that nice wood and stuff up here. So what am I going to make next? I think I'll have a Pez and ponder it. Those parts are fun to make. But what this is really all about, as the name of this series implies, is making chips, and there they are. What you got here is all the chips that we created from the bell cranks and the end plates that you've seen in the last couple of videos. And I'm telling you, this is grade A primo NorCal stuff. Thanks for visiting Makin Chips. See you next time.